Hi everyone, thanks for joining me for tips, tools, and inspiration to support you and your business this season. February has been one busy month here at 31 and there is so much to get excited about. With all of the newness going on, here's what you said is making the biggest impact on your business so far this month. Great job, ladies. I know there will be even more amazing success stories coming in over the next few weeks. You're all really rocking it, especially with Studio 31. After our product premiere in January, you were all buzzing about this new collection, so I caught up with my friend Paula to talk through some of the ways Studio 31 can help transform your business this season. Hey Paula!
Hi Kate!
Don't you just love the new Studio 31 collection?
Oh my god, I so do. And we know, ladies, that you and your customers do as well. It's truly going to be a game changer for your business this year. The reason is because it's a great conversation starter for some of your brand new customers out there, but it's also a door opener to some of your already great customers who love our jewel product.
Ooh, that's a good tip. So how would our friends at home watching know who their jewel customers are?
Oh my gosh, it's so simple, ladies. Use your back office filters. I don't even know if you know how amazing that tool is, but just put in the style number of any jewel product and it'll pull up all of your customers that bought jewel in the past.
Oh, that's a great tip. So let's say someone at home logs into her back office right now, looks up a jewel style, and she sees that maybe Kelly has purchased a purse from her before. You can call Kelly up and say, Kelly, remember that purse that you bought at Paula's party? I have a new purse line for you that I think you're going to love. And then start that conversation with her, right?
Absolutely. Well, another great way to target those potential new hostesses by using your back office filters by range of date. I put in a start date and an end date, and that's going to give you some great new customers. Think of those customers that you haven't talked to for an entire year, last January and February. Those are great customers to introduce to this amazing collection.
Yes, that's another great tip. So reach out to those customers that you have not talked to or seen in over a year, because there is so much newness happening right now, including the new Studio 31 collection. I absolutely love the fact that you can custom make your own bag, don't you?
Completely, yes. So did you know that you would have to change your flap and strap twice a day in a year to just get to all the different styles that you can make in the Studio 31 bag, because we have over 600 ways to wear it.
What? There are over 600 ways to wear a Studio 31 purse?
Yes, absolutely.
That's a good challenge. I want to know how many of you can figure those out. Share them on my 31 Gifts Facebook page, maybe. That's super fun.
Think about all the different ways that you can share your personality when you're wearing, sharing, and showing this amazing product out and about.
Right. Now, speaking of sharing, there are some fun ways to share Studio 31 at the party, right?
Well, we know that girl time is really big right now. Everybody wants to get out of the house. We're hearing about bad mom parties, some of the great theme parties like wine and paint parties, crafting parties. What about a BYOB party? BYOB parties are build your own bag parties. Think about having some girl time, some snacks, and she gets to walk away building her own bag that she'll see in another couple of weeks. What a fun night that is.
That is super fun. Do you have any tips or tricks for those who are at home right now watching that maybe don't have all of the Studio 31 pieces and parts to be able to build their own purses?
Of course we do. So ladies, we talk to you every catalog season about hosting your own launch party. So we've got a brand new catalog, but we've also got this amazing new collection. Host your own launch party for 2018 for spring, and you get to reap the rewards of all the hostess benefits. Then you can start earning all of these great products and spend your cash on some Studio 31.
You always have the best tips. So another great way for you to host a BYOB party without having all of the product on hand is to just use the great tools available for you on the Studio 31 marketing materials page on TOT. Be sure to go check that out. You can also share our Studio 31 fave combos from our 31 Gifts website. So those are two great places for you to be sharing Studio 31. Now you could also ask your customers who already have a Studio 31 purse to post a picture of it within your closed customer Facebook group, because then you can take all of those pictures and create an album for everyone to see all of the different combinations created by your customers. How cool and easy is that? Now don't forget, if you're a new consultant in your Start Swell earning period, you can totally use your credits like a shopping spree towards items in the new Studio 31 collection and get that product in your hands. Thank you so much, Paula. And ladies, have fun sharing Studio 31. It's always fun to catch up with my friend Paula. So for our next Let's Chat, share with me how you're making the most of the new Studio 31 collection. Theme parties, social contests, let me know on my Facebook page. You and your 31 girlfriends can leverage all of these ideas into a strong start to March when the customer special is half off any purse style, including Studio 31. Now, in addition to selling, February is a great month to be sharing the opportunity. Kit-free enrollment runs through February 28th. Help her start her own business for only $1 plus $14.95 for a monthly web subscription. We recently spoke with Melanie Felvis, a senior director from Ontario, Canada, who rocked our kit-free enrollment option in August when she sponsored 12 new team members and qualified 10. She shared some tips to make the most of this dollar enrollment period. Check it out.
Thank you. So I'm Melanie. I'm from Ontario, Canada. I'm really excited to talk to you today about sponsoring and qualifying those girls. I love that the dollar enrollment's here. So today we're going to talk about new, bold, and build. So first of all, new. The dollar enrollment is an awesome opportunity for us to start a new conversation. So we probably have that list of people that we've already been talking to and have shown interest. Well, now is an opportunity for us to be able to have a new conversation, something new to say to them. So to get their attention, hey, do you know that you can join Kit Free and go from there? Being bold. So the dollar enrollment gives me a little bit of boldness. I don't feel like I'm asking very much. I'm asking them to invest $1 plus the cost of their website. So it helps me go out there. So not only am I going back to the people that I've been talking to, but I'm now bold enough to talk to other people who I just have been thinking would be great on my team, and maybe I haven't made that connection with them about that yet. Of course, the dollar enrollment's only on to the end of February, so that gives us a sense of urgency. So I'm going to people and saying, hey, you know what, think about it, but don't think about it too long. Let's get in right at the beginning and talk about that. And then finally, building. So after she's joined, of course, you've already started to build a relationship, but after she's joined, you want to help her build her business. If they have joined Kit Free, then I offer a little mini business package with 10 catalogs, some order forms, some flyers, because I want her to be able to get out there right away and not wait and not get bombarded on ordering business supplies and then waiting for them to come. So we offer, I try to meet with them. If it's not possible, do it in person. Of course, we'll do it over the phone. Secondly, I offer my assistance with her launch party. So whether she wants me to do the launch party with her, whether she just wants me to be there for moral support, or I've had some people that say, no, you'd make me nervous, I'd rather not, I'll just keep your cell phone on hand. So I offer all the assistance I can. If it's an online party, I will add her to some previous parties that I've done so she can kind of get the flow. So I hope that helped. Again, we are going to embrace the new, we're going to be bold, and we're going to build relationships. Thanks.
Great job, Melanie, and thanks so much for sharing with us. Now it's time for key dates. Our celebration tour hit the road last month and our big pink truck has already traveled up and down the West Coast. Check out the list of tour dates and locations on the Celebration Tour page on TOT, and be sure to join our Celebration Tour Facebook page for updates from our home office friends on the road. And if you visit a stop, share your photos with us using the hashtag 31Tour. Our February specials are amazing, so make sure your customers are making the most of them. Customers who spend $35 in the US or $40 in Canada can get 2 mini storage bins or a deluxe utility tote for one great price. Why not show them how to make the perfect Easter basket using our hippity hop mini storage bin? Plus, February hostesses can get the Deluxe Essentials Bundle for just $25 in the US or just $31 in Canada with a party over $600. Remember, partying consistently this month can help get product into your hands with the February incentive. Submitting $500 in personal volume this month gets you the new Large Utility Tote Limited in twill stripe. Or submit $1,000 in personal volume to earn it plus the new In the Clear tote. Great for helping you book all season long. You can get these great social graphics and more details on TOT. February 22nd is our live summer kickoff. Log on through TOT at 8 p.m. Eastern Time to get a first look at our Summer Essentials Guide. Find out what you can earn in your K-Kids and see the new line our 1K, 2K, and 4K groups will be testing. Plus, did you happen to catch this teaser at product premiere? It looks like we have something big in store that's due very soon. February is also the last month of the Spring K-Group earning period, and it's your final month to submit personal volume for the 2018 Leadership Incentive Trip. You have until the end of March to get those new team members qualified and to promote into leadership. We already have several consultants who have earned the trip, and we can't wait to see you there too. And finally, it's time to celebrate! Can you believe that Inspire is 2 years old now? They call that the terrible twos, but there's nothing terrible about this. Well, maybe all of these ridiculous bloopers, and I can't watch, but you can. It's always fun to sit down. Oh, we're standing.
And for your hairstylist, a mini zipper pouch with a gift card. Thanks, Super Shopper. No, I'm sorry.
So are you a super shopper? So important that our prints and personalization are friendly. What the? Done! It's time for key dates. Sorry. Okay. She's organizing the guest room after having her messy sister stay with her for a shoot. Darn it! Oh my gosh, look how sweaty my hands are. It's like hot.
It's because of hot cocoa you're putting.
It's so hot. Kick it in the face.